Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that affects every single one of us, the complex world of finance and the immense influence wielded by top-tier players. Have you ever wondered how vast fortunes are really made and moved? It's a question that can feel overwhelming, but understanding the basics is key to making sense of our economic landscape. Let's start by looking at the relationship between major investors and large financial institutions. Think of it like a partnership between a star athlete and a powerful sports agency. The investor has the capital and the vision, while the bank provides the infrastructure, the complex financial tools, and the access to markets. This synergy can lead to massive undertakings, funding new technologies, building global companies, and driving innovation. It's a powerful engine for economic growth, creating jobs and opportunities when it functions well. However, this concentration of influence also raises important questions about fairness and transparency in the market. When a small group of players has access to sophisticated strategies and information, it can create an uneven playing field. Take, for instance, high-frequency trading, where algorithms execute millions of trades in fractions of a second. This is a world away from the average person buying a few shares of stock. It's this gap in access and capability that often leads to public debate about whether the system is truly equitable for everyone. So, how do these large-scale financial activities impact the stock market? Well, major investment decisions can send ripples across the entire market. A significant buy or sell order from a major fund can influence a stock's price, which in turn affects the portfolios of millions of small investors, including anyone with a retirement account. It's like a large ship creating a wake that rocks all the smaller boats around it. This is why market regulation is so crucial. It's designed to ensure that these powerful movements do not unfairly disadvantage others and to maintain overall market stability. The conversation around wealth and influence often involves various groups and historical contexts. It's a global stage with players from all over the world, each bringing their own strategies and networks. For example, Wall Street has long been a global crossroads, attracting capital and talent from Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. Understanding these diverse influences is key to grasping the full picture of global finance. It's not about one single group, but a complex web of international relationships, competition, and collaboration that shapes our financial world. This brings us to the core question. How does all of this affect the average person? When we hear about massive profits being made at the top, it's natural to wonder if it comes at the expense of everyone else. Economists have different views on this. Some argue that wealth created at the top eventually trickles down through investment, job creation, and philanthropy. Others argue that the system can lead to growing inequality, where the gap between the ultra-wealthy and the average family widens. They point to stagnating wages and the rising cost of living as evidence that the benefits are not being shared broadly enough. The truth is, it's not a simple us versus them scenario. The economy is an intricate system of interconnected parts. The actions of major investors and banks do have a profound impact, sometimes for the better, by funding progress, and sometimes by creating instability. For the average person, the key is financial literacy. Understanding how markets work, the importance of diversified investing, and the value of long-term planning are your best tools. It's about empowering yourself with knowledge to navigate the system rather than feeling like a passive observer. It's also why discussions about financial regulation, tax policy, and corporate governance are so important. These are the rules of the game. A healthy, functioning economy depends on rules that promote fair competition, protect consumers and small investors, and encourage sustainable growth for everyone, not just a select few. As citizens, staying informed and participating in these conversations is how we can advocate for a more balanced and equitable financial system. Ultimately, the world of high finance is a powerful force that shapes our lives in countless ways. By peeling back the layers and understanding the dynamics at play, we can move from confusion to clarity. It's about recognizing the complexities and advocating for a system that fosters both innovation and fairness. Thank you so much for joining me for this deep dive today. I hope this has given you some valuable insights. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next exploration. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.